Everything begins with the sun, not light, not warmth, but sound. NASA recordings reveal electromagnetic waves converted into something no human was meant to hear, a low, unstable roar. The temperature of the solar surface reaches around 5,500 degrees Celsius. But inside solar flares, it rises to millions of degrees. Energy so extreme, it tears through space itself. This is not a star. This is an engine of chaos, and it is already awake. Mercury should be silent, and it almost is. Surface temperatures swing between plus 430 degrees Celsius in the day and minus 180 degrees Celsius at night. A violent shift, fast enough to destroy anything exposed. No atmosphere, no protection. Only broken electromagnetic echoes remain. Venus does not scream, it whispers. Surface temperature, around 464 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt metal. Atmospheric pressure, 92 times Earth's pressure, strong enough to crush anything instantly. Winds move through the upper atmosphere at over 300 kilometers per hour, but near the surface, nothing moves freely. Everything is trapped. Everything is crushed. Earth sounds peaceful, oceans, wind, life, but storms still reach over 400 kilometers per hour in extreme hurricanes. And magnetic storms constantly interact with the planet's field. A shield that never stops absorbing energy from space. Even here, silence is an illusion. Mars is quiet, but not dead. Temperatures swing from 20 degrees Celsius to minus 125 degrees Celsius. Dust storms can reach over 100 kilometers per hour and sometimes expand across the entire planet, erasing everything. A world slowly being erased by itself. Jupiter is not a planet. It is a storm. Wind speeds reach over 600 kilometers per hour in permanent motion. Inside its atmosphere, pressure becomes so extreme that hydrogen turns into liquid metal. A magnetic scream, trapped in endless rotation. Saturn does not roar, it transmits. Wind speeds reach up to 1,800 kilometers per hour, faster than any hurricane on Earth. Storms grow larger than planets. Its rings whisper electromagnetic signals, like something trying to communicate across space. Uranus is different. The sound fades here. Temperatures drop to around -200 to 24 degrees Celsius. One of the coldest places in the solar system. Winds reach up to 900 kilometers per hour, but they move through an atmosphere where sound almost cannot exist. Everything slows. Everything freezes. Neptune sounds like an icy hurricane howling in the void. Winds reach up to 2,100 kilometers per hour, the fastest in the entire system. Storms larger than Earth itself move through an ocean of gas. Its sound becomes deep, ocean-like, but alien. Pluto is the last voice of the solar system. Surface temperatures reach around -200 to 29 degrees Celsius, cold enough to freeze almost any known gas instantly. Winds are almost non-existent. No storms, no movement, only distance. Endless distance. A world that was removed from what we call a planet, and yet it still exists. And when all these voices are combined, the sun, the planets, the storms, the void, it is no longer a system. It becomes something else, a single, living structure of sound. The solar system is not silent. It is screaming, and we are finally beginning to hear it.